The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I have a few pieces of videos that was put together. Basically it's like this video has been edited, and these pieces of videos put together, it's out on social media, and these videos that have been put together shows of a speed chase between police officers and a person driving a vehicle, and it shows even to the point where the person had been captured, you know what I mean? But however, some of the videos had been taken out of the entire video itself. So basically, like I said, it had been edited. Alright? And viewers and subscribers, according to what has been said about these pieces of videos put together on social media, is that it shows off the speed chase where it is said that a person was said to be operating a taxi. Now, I do not have any confirmation as to if it is true that the person was operating a taxi, but however, according to what has been said on social media, is that the person was operating a taxi. And, it is said that there was passengers in the vehicle, and among those passengers, it is said that there was one or maybe more than one minors in the vehicle. I do not have any confirmed information as to how many minors was there. I don't know if it is one or more than one, but according to what I've said on social media is that minor is in the vehicle, or a minor is in the vehicle. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where some persons are saying that the police officers were wrong, and some persons are saying that the person driving the vehicle was wrong, And according to what has been said on social media is that this had happened in the country of Jamaica. Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where in Jamaica this had happened, but however, according to what has been said on social media is that this had happened in the country of Jamaica. And according to some of the things that I've seen and heard in the video, it would seem as if this had happened in the country of Jamaica. Alright? And the question is, who was wrong? Is it the police officers, or is it the person driving the vehicle, or is it from both sides? Alright? Just let me know what you think. Alright? Now, I'm going to show you these pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. But before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
This needs to go viral. This needs to go viral. And baby in the car. If I tear gas way. If I tear gas way. If I tear gas way. Baby in the car. If I tear gas way. One look like one of the man them get shot. We need to send this viral. This needs to go on TV, CVM.
Get back, no! Get back, where that man moving on, no! The blood of Jesus against you! The blood of Jesus! The blood of Jesus against you!
Where is it?
Where is it? Jesus!
Where is it? Come on, take it. I'm shoot you. See them tear gas are there. See them tear gas are there.
No! Teresa, give me.
Can't see the license plate. You can't not zoom in no more. Murder! Look what I'm doing. Police drive down for the car, the taxi. All the people them for action off fire, shut off on them. And a tear gas me. And a tear gas me.
Easy. Hey, wanna be right to top it up. Wanna put that dead in the vehicle. Oh, wanna put that dead in the vehicle. One on the number. He already know, Papa. They said, go back up this up. Oh, you went back up. Come here. Give me.
Franklin Town, them drive down the taxi and a shoot gun and a go and a shoot how much baby they in the car. How much baby and a fire gunshot. And them never look for the gunman them. Look what they do. Look what they do. And a tear gas you tell us to forget back. Baby,